Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
This evening, this night, as the case may be, we just want to talk on small. And before we continue, we first say big thank you to all those worldwide, most especially those who check on us, we check on Osakwana Pudding during my ordeal. Then thank God today, I don't recover. In fact, I will start work. The Lebuke continue, and then I want to say big thank you again to those who just personally wait. They say Osakwana Pudding, we don't worry, we are waiting. You will continue when you are fine, and we know you're going to be fine. It's not easy now. Because me, I know what tell you, like, me never even remember say work day. Now me want to me work. Now me come day, but at the end of the day, thank God today God give us the opportunity to get a full comeback and we regain our system back. When I new get up, I be like one. Now I don't be like two. You cannot see me on live and be calling me. Yes. This evening we are here to discuss about the Herdsmen attack. And the truth of the matter be say, he clearly said that they deceive us with one language. Those say every Nigerian has freedom of movement. Every Nigerian has a right to be anywhere, which is true. No dispute. But no, every Nigerian not get right to kill Nigerians. So if we don't say Fulani may not be a problem to us, we all are pretending. You cannot tell me, say, some selected group, if a Fulani man, when he carry cow, carry gun pass, or cutlass pass, or stabbing knife past police station, police go leave him. But if when he carry that same stabbing knife past station, police go arrest Osakwana Pudding. Why be like that? And we say we be one Nigeria. It therefore means say there are some cities in which get more leverage than others in the country. See what happen for Udo. The Oyoki person nothing. If they start to kill them back, the government will be serious. Because as we speak to the federal government is on serious. All the one where the chase come out from Yoruba land now they come and do. We still speak English. We say they speak English. They speak English. Then they eat us, they go, they hit us, they go. They speak English. They don't care attitude. That they tell all of us say we be one Nigeria. Which one Nigeria? We agree say we be one Nigeria. One Nigeria not give you the right to come kill me for my territory. You say we be one Nigeria. If they don't legalize guns for all Nigeria, Nigeria the whole gun, no problem. Not be saying one set of people go the whole gun, they work out for streets. You say me the rest they use ordinary hand. It don't really tell. If we wait small, say they know after it's supposed to be. Everybody will resort to self-defense. I cannot be alive, they fear for my house, me Fulani not come kill me. Women are guy, Fulani are guy. Government supposed to know say they need to take this matter serious. Not be this one that they treat them with kid gloves. Would they speak English? For Baku. Would they speak English? We fought that one with the wait. May they come kill us first. Would they wait, may they come poof us. When they don't see poof our enemy, they'll say, we'll say carry the body, come and say, give me niya, give me niya. Now only we supposed to cry. They no go cry. They no go cry. Okay, when they don't do finish now, we'll come and say, you know what they do now? You know what they do? You know what they do? They're going to say, sorry, we will take appropriate action. We will take appropriate action. When they speak all those kind of English. The president has shown that is not sincere as far as this issue is concerned. Fulani will leave their part of the part where them there for this country. They will leave and go on that person's house, go to follow the fight. Don't go to follow the fight for your house. All of us they pretend. If anybody get waiting till they bargain, if you use the self and the family to bargain, nobody should use us to bargain. No. We cannot sit and watch as we did now. All of us, we are living in fear. Let's not deceive ourselves. If if they can be attacking Udo and not those territories, believe me, very soon if you don't come out in the morning, you're not going to know the difference between the herdsmen and your full street, or in the name of saying they look for a job, don't say they be labor. With their aware of what happened for Iveco in this Iveco is where those and those are near Joshua, where those outside people key land developers were in bush. They are full everywhere. If it's set today now, say okay, it's set. It go hard for us to capture these people because the way these people they full everywhere, not be small. If let's say they get this conquer policy, say let's take over, let's erode their various environment. If the earlier we know, say that this goal and objective these people plan, the better for us. The better for us. Not be only we going to carry that body, they come and say, they don't keep, you know, see what they do now. They say, oh, sorry, we don't be another Musi say, we don't go now Musi say, hey, now we're ripping, we family, we go, now they are rip and kill us with family. We only want to cry. This thing not the past, be careful. And we see the take them as a normal level. Say no worry, very soon it go better. No, these people get expansionist policy. They want to expand. That is the truth. Only say I don't want to talk about the Yorubas because I'm not here to discuss about tribalism. All those ones they are really standing their ground. But if you support them, no, they'll go settle with those people. You talk to enemy. So more would they look there. But the truth is, when would they look there, more protect our territory because who they pursue for those sides? They are coming. Those X-Men cannot go to Bayelsa. They cannot go to Rivers. They know so those one align. They know they wait. If you ask for their time, there you go east, go misbehave, you don't hear say Fulani go kill people for you. See there. If you just mistakenly kill one Eastern Akma, before they dark like 600 Fulani, they don't record their hit immediately. Not be able to say, no worry, your rest. Na freestyle, they kill our people, they go. They kill us, they go. With the form, we see this, we say, we will act decisively. When are we going to act? When? Till we finish. I don't want to come and talk much. But anybody will talk, say, the killing, when they kill for Udo, not pay now. Now they say, you be winch. The killing is when these people kill for Udo. Anybody will say, you not pay now, that person a winch. That person a winch. So you don't reach the time. I never too strong reach like that to come too stress myself now on media. If you watch now, even they say I do my work now, I do live video, they do presentation. And they always try, they very laconic. So I'm not sure I'll fit talk long in respect to this issue. But more you know say the time to act is now. If they continue like this, one very good day your ass, they'll come poof you your ass. They'll poof you the you say come and say the government will say we condemn the act in its entirety. How many times want to condemn? Can't we tell them say enough is enough? Enough is enough. Vigilante, a very good formation. The role for a certain time, the also boys, where problem they Uga, where for the art Uga. Police, they send out street, they look for driving license, they go for street. They say, let me see your paper. If you see GLK, they call you stop on. If you see normal motor, they call you say pass. That one not get money. They also for money, whereas people are dying on a daily basis. People are dying on a daily basis. Now they hear it. We're not going to go talk because if we talk, we'll too tear many of the certificate. But the truth of the matter, we say, who say you know the verse now? no worry. If you reach your tongue, you go know how you be. Now families get those person with that. As me and you dey talk now, I meet the inside condition now to do live video. So families are grieved. They cry now for losing their beloved ones. They cry now when they lost their beloved one. Now money be everything. Now money be everything. More wake up, oh. Please share this video. This video will be very short. Share it, make it go far. Make it go far. We are sleeping. We are sleeping, not be like. If we get boys where they use gun fire each other, they go for streets. Then they look for each other. When they see each other, they look each other like animal. Like when mad dog and mad dog see, wah, 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 wah. Then they kill themselves. People, they kill all of Una. Unas, they kill themselves. All in the name of courtesan. Foolish set of people. All in the name of courtesan. You see your fellow brother for you shoot and you say, boy, 1-0. We don't kill one, because it's one so color. Color A, we don't kill color A. We kill color B, day 2. Color A, day 1. 4-0. Is that not foolishness? Is that not foolishness? 2-1, 3-2, 4-0, 5-1. Now we they lead. Now we they lead. You they kill your brother. Other person they kill you now too. Idiot set of people. And you say you did courtesan. You dey proud, say you be man. You dey unrecognized society. Una not the shame. Una not the shame. Una not the shame. You see that you do it. I found a guy. Now we get the time. You not get any time. You are a fool. People they kill you. Say you get time. You dey also your brother. They go for streets. You've divided yourself, reducing your capable personnel and manpower in the name of courtesan. Whereas one animal's situation, they go on a daily basis. None of it talk. But when you see your fellow brother they go for street, you say that color A, get on down, get on down. Also that color B, get on down. They use color, divide all of una. They use color, divide all of una. Divide and rule. With the time when you're supposed to take art, you know, go one art. The time when you take joy of people art, say this is the time to resist, to vehemently resist this set of elements. You see some of them say, oh God, what you also be the young correct. Now because that color A, you know, let us evolve. To say that color B now we for join. Oh God, this one they talk with that thing, but that color C. If we do one that color C, you can't say that they get level. We not divide in ourselves. Now full and very soon, if we not take time, now it's out in the house. They'll call the belly una. When they don't they poof una before they say me they reach where we did, we know how we sit if we maneuver ourselves. Not be allowed to tell you. So if we not get sense now, no Nasabi. They are raping your wives, killing our children, killing our men. Fear they let people go farm again. Fear they let anybody go farm. And you pack your shoulder for street, they form guy man. They also your brother for street when you want key. Whereas those where you suppose act on. Now, not let anybody tell you, say, when you see say that they kill you, they're going to tell you, say, you not take law into your hands, and they're not telling them, they not take law into their hands. My dear brother, anybody will want to kill you, not go find you to kill you, but anybody will want also you to call kill you. You have a right to defense, self-defense. You there alive, now make you know say you be Nigerian. If you die, you don't know where you do. So you have a right. Not let anybody tell you say you not get right to self-defense. Not let anybody, nobody get that right to tell you as a citizen say you have no right to self-defense. You have a right to defend yourself. A right to defend because it's your constitutional right to life. If you have a right to life, you have a right to defend that life jealously. You have a right to jealously defend your life. You have a right to jealously defend your life. Not let anybody deceive you, say, woman, right, no, you worry. Don't worry, you don't need to. No. Everything is not like this. Not let anybody tell you. Nobody get that right to tell you, say you don't defend yourself. Nobody. You get that right to defend yourself. So if anybody come to you tell you, say, no, you don't get right, you take everything easy. Tell them, say, now good. You have a right to laugh. It's a constitutional right. If you see and say those who are supposed to protect your life, not ready, they're not fit for self-defense. Anybody will tell you, say, not defend yourself, don't worry, fold you and let them come and kill you. That person is a winch. That person is a winch. Anybody will tell you, say, hey, shut up. Maybe they kill, they come, they kill, they come. You got to say, hey, I want, why are you want to go block that time of our they block them. They pay, you got to say, don't block them, drop everything that you have. Keep your hand, don't worry, everywhere will be okay. You have no right to do all such. Use that person to start. You have a right to protect your life. It is your constitutional right. It is constitutional right and put a right to life. No human being get right to take the other person's life. Sakonogoni don't get right to kill anybody. If a Sakonogoni should kill anybody, I should be made to face the full wrath of the law. So if the full wrath of the law not great out, and you want to kill me, you say my foot man the weight. My dear, defend yourself. Defend yourself. Don't reach like that. These people are not predators. They are killing rapidly. They are killing rapidly. Protect yourself. Defend your family. I cannot be here now, this night now. Somebody come knock my gate. I say now, unholy movement. He knocked my gate. He didn't move. As I did now, let me show you something. See, this one, as I did now, live. See, I don't know whether you say, this is my compound. I did see on live. Now my CCTV camera this I did any footstep will enter my compound now. Before the person enter, me don't see him. Now it be this one. So you see my compound. Everywhere you see him. So you know you enter the compound. As you they enter, forget. It's better when they go to the judge and say, why did you not do it? You should have waited to see what they wanted to do than said, God say, God forbid. God forbid. God forbid, though. I don't want to talk much this evening. Make I just end this broadcast here. The point is, you have a right to life. You have a right to defend yourself. Let nobody deceive you. I'm Osako Nobody. Good night and have a lovely night rest. Bye for now. For those, make I not forget, for those we do your survey. In fact, the only survey we never come out now survey we will do day for yesterday and 3 days ago. All other surveys is out. Call your rep to reach out to us. We could deliver your documents to you. All survey is out. Then do not fail to contact us for your CFO application. That is what we do as Tanosadi Enterprise. And I will not fail to say a very big thank you. I not come tell Edo people say, I not get time to pretend, go tell Edo people say, I lie you. I not tell you say I too good. I not still tell you say I better pass those people. I just live my life. I not go still tell you say all the work when I do, I'm just working for you, I'm not benefiting. If I tell you now I'm a liar, if I do work for you, me say they get my own inside, I won't deceive you. So if I tell you say not be your work when you give me, not be until they leave, I'm a liar. If I form say, I say, he too deal with me, I get my own. That how much jealous work we all they do and allow. My own not be because not because we all they do at the benefit. So at least to some extent, since me no say me the benefit for my work when I do, people say they benefit under me. Many families, so all those youths, those married, they say they follow me so. Then they benefit immensely. Then they even for their houses now they're not the hungry again. Some of themselves they have a little the big. And that's to tell you say now the work where you give us now give us the opportunity to give them opportunity as well. If you self-post, say, as a your now, we say, you say, you must like him, the way to be another kind, I won't give him any job again. In just 2 months, God forbid, people say, we'll carry plate. They say, Babi Allah, give me money. May God not let us beg in Jesus' name because we're not lazy. So God will continue to bless you too. God will continue to as well replenish your own pocket. May God continue to bless you. May you see money to buy more land. May you see money to buy more beauty. The more you buy land, the more will they get CFO. The more will they do survey. The more will they get contract to carry out your building construction. But if me say make you not get, invariably I am affecting myself because if you not get, me not go get. Now let football say no one may friend go say hey, this boy want to be king now. If you don't want your friend to be a king, you cannot be a friend to a king. You can never be a friend to a king. So as for me, I won't deceive you. I am very glad that you guys are giving us opportunity to flourish. And I think by the power of God Almighty, God will continue to bless you all as well. Me as I did like this, so I not get it out. Other people they will call me when I not sound. Believe me, all those times when they call me when I not sound, I deliberately they off my phone because if the phone on, I know if it pick, it go the ring. It's better say you call me, I know it not go than say you say the phone they ring, they not pick. It dey pain. It dey pain for body. I mean if it pick the call as I did. So for more than 3 weeks, many people they call. Sometimes it go ring. Now when I give my secretary come to say, you not there, you not too sound like that. He go dey pick the call. So but I want to use the opportunity to apologize to those people. I beg, if you call me that time, it not be say I phone. Say I not the pick call. I not get it out to say I not the pick call. If I not tell you say I not tired to the pick call. Now because I was not healthy, you cannot call me now and say make I not pick. Except say now I get like 3 phone. The one I do live video so that they use and call me. These 2 they use and call me too. Sometimes they feel they call me, me or they call for this one. On that one go the ring. Now this one the ring. Now this person go say, oh, mommy Sakuno Bodina, you no one carry my call. You see this boy. Whereas I they call for the other one. Maybe they tell me you take true. As I say my true, you call doesn't come this other one. As I talk to you and call come over the other one. I no can remember say somebody call me. You come find and say I know come feel return call. You feel say I know the return call. No be say I not like to return call. Now the activity at that particular point in time. But no excuse whatsoever than for me to come and say I am sorry. Nothing, no matter the explanation. At the end of the day, I need to apologize for negligence on my part. Because as a businessman, my own is to make sure I attend to everybody. And as a client, you don't want to know the next man. They need to attend to you at a particular point in time as a client. So at least to some extent, I owe you an unreserved apology. I am deeply very sorry. But just believe, say, not be my fault. But I beg. So not get tired of me, say, go on, no man now. They call it another grippy. No man now. Where that one go? Now, if you say me, you judge me like that, believe me, I'll just do 100% grand, honorary grand, because now gross misconduct on my part. But all I need to say is, I am very sorry, forgive my negligence, and do not give up on me. Thank you very much. Now the message I get for us this evening, for those who need my number, the number still remains 07036109939. I repeat, 07036109939. 08079742172. The first one at WhatsApp. Okay, somebody say I send you message or message. Hey, another thing for message away this is so. You get some message you send. You know they call my inbox. You go. I don't know what they call this thing. You go date there for Facebook. Until one very good day when we say Facebook, you'll give you opportunity. As you check out, you just see many messages people send. You know you enter your inbox directly. That one now will say, oh, they send this one message. You not reply. Whereas that message not deliver. That message not deliver. The day we come to deliver, you could say me, you could rush go answer, and maybe it does like 3 weeks. You know, say human being, we are a human being. True not be not talking. Even me, self, if I call you 1, call you 2, call you 3, you not pick out the verse for you. So if me feel verse for you, somebody feels the verse for me for waiting me the verse for 2. All of us now human being. You call somebody 1, call out 2, call out. Who he be now governor? Me go verse. Me self go verse. So if me no say me go verse, me suppose no say other people say get right to verse. Other people say get right to verse. If me feel verse, How they call this one? Who he be self? Like me, I mean, not me as I did so. I dey respect people, but me I know they like somebody with the raise shoulder. I know if you follow person with the raise shoulder, they move at all. I know the feet. I know the feet. That is why you hardly see say you see me with people say my friends, and I just dey like live my life. I not like who they assume. Me as I just dey so me hate assuming. Me not they assume. I don't even pray to assume. In fact, I don't even know as I take day. I don't you want to know. I don't even like me anybody come they hear me they say, Sakunokodi, you too correct. I don't need them. So me not just think when anybody go there assume saying too much. Nobody too much. Now God too much. If they give you opportunity today, use that way. Not use your opportunity to intimidate others. Because another man money na picture. Another man money na picture. Me I know they feed your family. Me I know they feed your family, but you self they feed my family. That is the truth. We can't bend it. Because the process at which you give me work, now indirectly, forget say I deliver service. Not be let me to do that work. So I don't fit talk. Now me no fit come and say, you know they feed me. I can't say that. But me, no they feed you. Because the service I render to you, I not give you cash. But you, they give me cash for me to render service. If you not bring that cash, forget. Maybe even if say we go fee pay school fees, maybe we will that school fee the fee don't drive that beginning like 6 times. But as now the only great drive our children for school again because the opportunity they want to give us and we self they use them to they achieve what we want to achieve and at the same time still get our own interest protected as well. So please I beg you all, forgive me in case you the verse, not your verse, I beg not your verse. Because if you say make you judge me based on my character, you feel not see anything bring come out. Now 0 I would get. Now 0 I would get. Me no, but not your judgment. I beg you. So if you call me since then, I not pick, and because I know where, call me again. I beg, I go pick. I not tell you say work don't tire me. So forgive me if you don't the verse, not your verse. You both with her. I'm here and area be. Everybody get mistake. So I beg, look, just look my own. So wait, forgive me. Then let's move forward. Thank you very much, Amusa Kulokudi. Good night and say bye for now.